My name is Billy Cowen. I'm the Managing Director at Twinseal Limited in York. Twinseal has a big year of anniversaries this year. The company was started 50 years ago by my father, Alan Cowen. 40 years since we manufactured door glaze units. It's 25 years since we manufactured our own toughened glass. 20 years since we started using Edgetech Superspacer. 20 years since Lee, my son, joined the company.
My name is Lee Cowen. I'm Operations Director at Twinseal Limited. This year is 20 years anniversary of us using Edgetech as a supplier and going down the automation route using the Pharrell machinery. The quality and reliability of Edgetech's products is impeccable, to be honest. It's one of those where we don't think about it and therefore it must be working correctly. The product turns up on time, the machine processes it without issue, and the product goes out the door. And in 20 years of using this product, I can't honestly remember a time where we've had a major issue.
The biggest factors for our success are using the right companies and the right products. We've got great partnerships with our suppliers, and that's machines and materials. We've always tried to be ahead of the curve a little bit. We've been early adopters on automatic machines and on high performance products. 20 years ago, when we started with automatic machines for the assembly of units, Edgetech was the way forwards for us. They helped us set up, they've given us advice all the way through and continue to help us at every stage of our expansion.
We're nicely positioned to push the business forward using automation and high quality products, prioritising quality, service and loyalty to our customers and our suppliers alike. We're committed to Edgetech, and I think that proves that we're confident in them as a supplier, and we see that relationship continuing for many years to come.